Hey, I didn't get to go skiing today because it was storming out, but that's okay. I went over to my friend's house and he showed me some of his effects in his new pedal that he got, and he played me one of the songs that he made. So that was pretty sweet. Played video games, but the friggin' Xbox Live thing wasn't working very well. Whatever. We're eating chips and playing video games. While I was at his house, we ordered some food. But then, I had to go home. He drove me home. But he didn't have winter tires on. There was a big snowstorm last night. He was slipping all over the road. I thought it was going to die. Now I'm driving home, and the car has no snow tires, so this should be fun. I hope we don't die. Oh my god. Yeah. The road is all ice, and we're just sliding everywhere. But anyway, I made it home, so. I also heard that Rush is coming to my city pretty soon. Or maybe not soon, but they're still coming. Oh, the other day, I saw some guy with his hand on his face like this. I think he accidentally glued his hand to his face. He had to get it surgically removed. Oh, I also made this song called Chopped Liver. Like, I made it the week I bought my bass, and I accidentally kind of shared it over my sharing network when I was living in my house in university, and it's kind of spread everywhere. It's a real retarded song. I might post it sometime. I might not. Now, despite how dumb Chopped Liver is, I mean, it's really dumb. All I go is chant, Chopped Liver, and I play some stupid bass line over it where I'm hitting random notes. Well, I didn't know how to play at the time because it was like a week after getting it, so I'm just plucking random notes. Anyway, now everywhere I go, friends are referring to me, and all they could talk about is the Chopped Liver song, which is so dumb. Now I hear it everywhere. Whenever I go to a party or something, my friend's house, they say, "Hey, there's Marino. Let's play Chopped Liver." They put it on the computer and play my song. One time I was in my house. The first time I heard that it was spreading out was, I didn't even know I shared it. I did it by mistake. I know someone downloaded it. I was like, that's interesting. I didn't even know it was on here, but I didn't really care that much. I go upstairs. Apparently some guy put on the song, played it over and over again for about 2 hours, and blared it through the hallways. Everyone came into his room, of course, and asked, "What are you playing?" And of course he said, "Marino made the song." Now it's spreading everywhere. Now it's on the radio, the news, billboards, my shoes. It's driving me crazy. It's spreading like Malaysia. But anyway, I saw some guy trip over a foreign monkey. Well, like in the last video, I might as well mention what I'm watching on YouTube right now. But one of the users I'm watching right now is a guy named BigAl. His videos are just pretty much angry rants that he comes up with. Things that take him off, but they're pretty funny. Some of them are like, obviously not serious.
I got a towel. I will defeat you with the power of the towel.
I'm eating Tostito sauce
Directly from the bottle.
I could juggle money. I'm punching a treadmill. The latest video he did was just appalled at the existence of Burger King chips. It's pretty funny. A lot of stuff he hits a pretty good point. He hates PETA. He hates PETA with passion. The other thing he hates a lot is soccer moms. And people trying to ban video game violence. So, I don't know. It's pretty cool to watch if you like to watch people rant about stuff. I'll post a video response to BigAl's latest video, so you'll be able to click on his latest video below.